Hi everyone, welcome to the program. Today we are going to start introduction to C language. See, before going to start learning any programming language, C, C++, Java, first we should know at least what are the languages, why we are learning all these languages. So basic things we need to answer. A few questions everyone should answer. So what is programming language? What is programming language? See, programming language is a predefined application. It's nothing but it is a software which is already ready. A programmer, another programmer already has developed that program and introduced as a programming language. So why we are learning programming languages? By using all these programming languages, what we do? See, using programming languages, we are developing applications. See, where we use actually language, general language like natural languages, English, Telugu, Hindi, where we use all these things. Where we use all these things means languages we are using for communication, right? Language is for communication reasons. Communication. See, we are developing applications using programming languages. What all the applications, for example? So in our daily life, what are the applications we are using? For example, Facebook, WhatsApp. So now we are connecting through two applications. This one is a vermaclabs.com and next one is a zoom.us. These applications we are using for communication reasons. See here in this program, I am sharing my information to you. I'm sharing. For example, take WhatsApp. Using WhatsApp, we are sending the data, we are receiving the data, and we are storing the information. And if not required, we delete the information. So banking applications. Indirectly, you are communicating with a banking personnel. Suppose IRCTC application. Indirectly, you are communicating with a railway employees. See, we are using applications for communication reasons. For communication, every application development for communication. So in the process of communication, we are sharing the data, just sending, receiving, just processing the data, that is sharing information. So two simple answers. What is programming language? Programming language is one application. We can say software. Simple term. What is the use of programming language? Why you are learning programming language? Sir, using programming languages, we are developing applications. We are developing applications. Why? What is the use of applications? Sir, we are using so many applications. So almost all applications for communication needs only. Main aim, the main goal of application is communication.